Hello, today we're going to be installing our two newest versions of the Link, the AST and the HubSpot. Before you begin, always make sure the power to your pump is off by checking the main breaker. The AST requires only 3 wires and 2 basic hand tools. First thing is to remove the cover from the dispenser by removing these 4 bolts. Once you remove the cover, keep the O-ring handy as you'll need it to complete the installation. Keep the cover along with the 4 bolts you removed in case it's needed in the future. The control wire from the pump, which is typically black, connects to the Link's brown wire. The neutrals, which are typically white, connect to the Link's white wire. The hot from the electrical panel, which is typically black, connects to the Link's black wire. If you're installing the HubSpot, you will connect the additional black wire from the Link to the same wire nut as the hot from the electrical panel and the other black wire on the Link. This gives you the power to run the hub with the 120 volt cable attached to the Link. There may be an orange wire inside the dispenser, which will just be capped off if you're using our optical pulser. Once you have the connections made, you'll mount the Link to the dispenser using the 4 bolts inside your kit, and don't forget to use the black O-ring. The next step is to install the pulser. The pulser that comes with the kit is compatible with a Fill-Rite 800 and 900 series register. First, you should be able to remove the knob easily by just pulling on it. Then you'll remove the screws from the front plate. Once the cover is removed, drill a small hole in the bottom of the register cover to allow the pulser wire to come through. Next, loosen the nut on the exterior side of the register. Slide the optical pulser onto the register and then tighten the nut. Now you're ready to attach the black pulser cable to the Link and run it up through the hole you drilled. Connect the bullet connectors, brown to red and white, blue to blue, and green and black to black. You want to be sure that the bullet connectors are inside of the cover of the register. Also included is a cable tie so you can keep the pulsar wire away from the pump motor as much as possible to avoid vibration, which may affect the transaction quantity. Next, you can reattach the cover and the knob. Now you're ready to turn the power back on. Once power is on, you should see a blue light which indicates power is present to the Link. You may or may not see the red light as it indicates pulse. Either way is fine. If you require any installation assistance at all, please call in to speak with one of our certified technicians. Once installation is complete, you'll need to contact our support line for configuration and startup. Startups are performed Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. Thank you so much for watching.